Hi, Sarah here, and I got to share a little tidbit with you. Um, I was talking to a client, and we were talking about eating out and how he is now a savvy chewer. And he was sitting next to the person next to him in a restaurant while he was still chewing his bite of beef properly. He was watching the person next to him literally sit down, eat his food like his meal, and then get up and walk out. True story. And the true story here is one of the biggest things that people have forgotten in the realms of self-nourishment, in the realms of digestion and gut health, is they have forgotten to chew. Chewing is so critical. And that's what I see 99% of my clients coming in. They haven't been chewing. And so it creates this downward stream effect of an offset GI tract. So why can not chewing cause bloating? Well, you're not breaking your food down, because when you chew effectively, at least like 20 to 30 times, ideally breaking solid food into a near liquid state, you're bathing that food with the enzymes in your mouth that are really potent at breaking down carbohydrates. All the while, you're signaling your stomach with how much hydrochloric acid to send down the chute to the stomach to help further break down protein. And then that really signals the pancreas and the gallbladder to do what they magically do. The pancreas gets signal with the tone of acid in the stomach saying, oh, okay, great. You need that much enzymes and that much bicarbonate to send out into the small intestine, where I'm going to further help break all that food down. And the gallbladder says, great, I'm in Q2 because I'm going to release the bile into the duodenum, where the fat will be further broken down. So see how it's like this chain of reaction. And people are out there saying, here, take this enzyme, take this, take that. Well, first, before you take anything, just chew. Just chew. And when I say chew, think of chewing like 20 to 30 times. Try it. And then as you're sitting there chewing your food to a near liquid state, look around. Look around where you are and count how much people really chew. I've sat in restaurants and watched someone taking a sirloin steak and they're chewing at most 5 times before they swallow. Boom. And so that load of beef is just landing in the stomach, and the stomach's like, you want me to do what? And the pancreas is like, you want me to do what? And the gallbladder's like, you want me to do what? Wah, wah, wah. So instead of being really on point with digestion, breaking down, absorbing, assimilating, it all just gets slowed down. And then you're also leaving yourself open for GI complications, which that's a whole nother conversation. But if you remember anything out of all of this, just chew. It's the easiest, cheapest, quickest, most effective supplement you can take, you can do, is chew.